Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can claim the daily rewards in Dragonair Silent Gods. So I made this video is for beginner that new into this game. You can get the daily reward, like the daily login reward in this game. So let's get start to the game. In the game you can see some feature here and also some option here. Now let's get started by the first one at the top of your screen. This is the icon. Tap it. This is the event page. You can do the daily check-in here. So you can get also cumulative check-in until if you log in 9 days consecutively. So in the day 9 you can get this I mean day 7 you can get this, and this is the unlocking condition, day 14 and day 30, but you have to check in every day like this. Tap and I'm obtaining this item. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.